Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, I'm ShesPrettyRedd. Welcome and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber, and welcome if you are a new subscriber, you guys. So in today's video, I just wanted to come and let you guys know that don't forget about Irresistible Me. Definitely be sure to check out their site in my description box below, you guys. If you need clip-ins, tape-ins, you guys, or any type of wig. They also have synthetic wigs as well. So like I said, definitely be sure to check them out, y'all. The company is amazing and I love their hair so much. So yeah, definitely, like I said, check them out. I'll leave all the information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out. And let's go ahead and get into today's video. Bye guys. Alright y'all, so jumping right into today's video, me and hubby did end up going by Lowe's to pick up some cleaning products as well as some more spray paint for our DIYs that I will be showing you guys in my next video. But anywho, nonetheless, we did end up getting what we needed out of Lowe's, and we will be moving on to Hobby Lobby. Y'all, so comment below, let me know if I'm the only one that loves wax melts, y'all. I love it so much. I just hate that it makes sometimes a mess, but I do love it so much. And I'll show you guys the ones that I picked.
The hangs from the ceiling. We've been tight. Take them, put them inside the bed, paint one black, and have a black candle.
Oh, love that.
Paint one blue. Look.
And have a blue. Yeah. Candle. I like that.
Hang from the ceiling.
In our bedroom?
In our bedroom.
Yes.
One in the ceiling.
Yes.
Like hang them from the ceiling.
Yeah, or one. Can we put one on the wall?
Well, obviously, this shit, look, this shit won't hang on the wall.
Right, no.
But you can get one on the wall and do the same thing, too.
Okay.
And you know, I always had love these, but look how much these motherfuckers is.
Yes, how much is that?
That one there is $239. Yeah, but also they got discounts on them, so it's
Right.
40-50% off.
Man. Yeah, so this is what I got so far from Hobby Lobby. Got me some lemons, y'all. $11.99. Oh yeah, but we ain't even got that color in the house no more. They got me some of these, $3.99, and I got a whole bunch of these. Wow, cashmere, y'all. This right here is my favorite. Sweet Memories. Smells so good. I got this one, and I got this little mat for the laundry room.
30 bucks and 50% off. So what? $15, something like
that. Okay. Yeah, I like that.
That way you can lease the small ones up here, the big ones down here.
Okay, yeah.
You can display them. I like these dark bricks off like this, like our room. They go that blue.
Okay, yeah. Right. Plus, that's too flat. We need something that can hold it in. Yeah.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to.
Y'all, at this point, I honestly was over being in Hobby Lobby. It was so much stuff to look at. Things that was here, there, everywhere, and I was at this point way in the back of the store, not even in the spot where I needed to be. So yeah.
Know how I feel about you. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. had time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you wait. We don't really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
construction, but we're here shopping. Look at my car. Some good stuff, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of today's video. After we went to Burkes outlet, we did end up going to get some dinner from Applebee's, you guys, and I did not film that, y'all, because honestly your girl was tired. So with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope that you enjoyed shopping with me. I'm not sure what's going to be next in my next vlog or video in general. But please continue to stay tuned. Make sure you guys turn on your post notification bell so that way you will be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, because don't forget, you guys, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.